Hello everyone, you want to see some fantastic AI-generated artwork? Just keep your eye on this tutorial.
Now maybe you think about how to generate this type of artwork for free. So to generate this type of artwork, we need to use a website named PicFinder.AI. So first, I open a browser and enter the site name into the address bar. This is the site totally free, infinity image generation powered by AI. This is the site to generate art. We need to write a prompt. I am writing a prompt for a cute white female cat. Look guys, this is totally amazing. Thousands of art are generated in a second. To download the art, just click the download icon. Now I want to generate some other art, so now follow me. Just mind-blowing guys, thousands of art are generated in a second. This AI generator has some models. With the models you can generate different types of artwork. This model name is Rev Animated. Look guys, this model arts are very pretty and cool. Now I am trying Absolute Realty model. Guys, this model is also very pretty. Now just follow me guys. Guys, also you can change the artwork aspect ratio. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends and family.